In this video, we'll look at how to add yourself to a waitlist for a course in Banner. Waitlisting a course is a process where students can sign up for a limited number of spots for a full class and get notified if a seat opens up in the order that they join the waitlist. If a seat becomes available in the class, the first person on the waitlist will be notified. That student has 48 hours to go into Banner and register for the seat in the course. If they choose not to accept the spot, or if they miss the deadline, the next person on the waitlist will be notified, and so on. All waitlist notifications go to students' Bryant email address and will come from the registrar's office. Please note that waitlisting a course does not guarantee that you will be able to register for the course by the time the semester begins, since a seat needs to become available in order for the waitlist to move. However, it's a great option and is a resource that should be utilized when possible. So we'll look at an example of waitlisting a course with anthropology. Maybe this was a class I really wanted to take, but it was full when I went to do my registration. As you can see, when you look for a course, if the class is full, it will say so in the status column. If a class has a waitlist available, the waitlist will appear below. Please note that not all classes do offer a waitlist, and you can only add to a waitlist that does have this blue exclamation point and seats available on the waitlist. To add yourself to a waitlist, use the Add button to the right and add the course down to your course summary, just like we did when adding classes to our plan. Then here from the Action menu, you can select Waitlist. Go ahead and click Submit, and that course will now show up with green and say Waitlisted. It's important to note that when looking on your left-hand schedule weekly view here, it does not distinguish between classes that are waitlisted and classes that are registered for. So you want to make sure you know which classes are waitlisted and which classes are registered. Waitlisted courses will also show 0 hours or credits in the summary since you're not actually registered for it. You'll always want to double check the registered credits number at the bottom of the screen to confirm how many classes you're actually registered for. In most students, that's going to be about 15 credits. There is no limit on how many waitlists you can be on. If you're offered a seat off of the waitlist, you'll need to come back into this panel within your 48-hour window and swap into the waitlisted course if you wish. For more help with that process, please see our video called How to Accept Your Seat Off the Waitlist. Waitlists are a helpful tool for students who weren't able to get into a class during registration. Since waitlists aren't guaranteed, always make sure that you're registered for a full schedule in addition to any of your waitlisted courses. This brings us to the end of our registration tutorial videos. You can always revisit these or any of our supplemental registration reels for help with specific steps of the registration process. The best tip for a smooth class registration experience is to be prepared with the knowledge of what classes you need to take and how to plan in Banner effectively. Undergraduate Advising is always here to help you with all of the steps of the registration process.